Standard GQ1A. Documented policies and SOPs cover all mortuary and laboratory procedures relevant to the licensed activity. They take into account of relevant health and safety legislation and guidance, and where applicable, reflect guidance from the Royal College of Pathologists or RCPAT. These include post-mortem examination, including the responsibilities of anatomical pathology technologists, APTs, and pathologists, and the management of cases where there is increased risk. Practices relating to the storage of bodies, including long-term storage and when bodies should be moved into frozen storage. Practices relating to the evisceration and reconstruction of bodies. Systems of traceability of bodies and tissue samples. Record keeping. Receipt and release of bodies, which reflect out-of-hours arrangements. Learn working in the mortuary. Viewing of bodies, including those in long-term storage by family members and others such as the police. Transfer of bodies internally, for example, for MRI scanning. Transfer of bodies and tissue, including blocks and slides, off-site or to other establishments. Movement of multiple bodies from the mortuary to other premises, for example, in the event that capacity is reached. Disposal of tissue, including blocks and slides, which ensures disposal in line with the wishes of the deceased person's family. Access to the mortuary by non-mortuary staff, contractors and visitors, contingency storage arrangements. This means documented policies and procedures for the activities you undertake in your mortuary should reflect the requirements of the Human Tissue Act and the HTA's Codes of Practice, and also reflect other relevant legislation and guidance. For example, from the Health and Safety Executive, the Managing Infection Risks when handling the deceased, and Learn Working guidance or relevant guidance from the Royal College of Pathologists. SOPs should be accurate, clear and easy to follow, helping to ensure consistency between staff members and enable new staff to follow the procedures. Some procedures and policies may cover more than one activity. People who carry out processes should be involved in developing and reviewing SOPs to ensure they reflect current practice. For example, APTs and mortuary assistants. SOPs should include procedures for both in and out of hours activities, and take into account learn working when risks to staff and dignity of the deceased are potentially greater. Access to the mortuary should be strictly controlled with clear policies and procedures which protect bodies from harm and breaches of confidentiality.